Alright, I'm here at the Graduate Student Commons once again. I went to the Express bookstore and found this preheated Big Az BBQ Rib sandwich. I have no idea how long it was sitting there in the little heat land, but we're gonna try this out. Upon first inspection, the bread is like really soggy and not too warm, or kind of just the right amount of warmth. I'm just gonna dive in right now and see what it's all about. So these pseudo ribs, they're probably like a combination of like several different types of animal byproduct. It has the tenderness of like a chicken fried steak that has been cooked just right, but it also kind of crumbles and dissolves in your mouth. If you like to eat food that gas stations throw away, you should definitely get this.